Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and also your serial number on this device. So to do this you have two different ways, and the first one, you just open phone application, you open keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and as you can see here you have your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also serial number. But the second method is you go to settings, about phone section, and then go to the not device name, details, info and specs, status, and here in model you can find your serial number, and here you have your IMEI slot 1 and also IMEI slot 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.